In today's video, I'll be showing you how to macro and fish in 2025 on both mobile and PC with this brand new fish macro. You can use it for AFK fishing, duplicating XP, duplicating fish, and, hear me out, you can also use this macro to get infinite money. Yes, it has that option for both iOS and Android. The macro works on iOS, Android, and PC. As you can see right now, I'm earning tons of money with this macro, which is insane. I believe this is the only fish macro that allows you to get infinite money. First of all, you need to make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. To check that, simply go to the App Store and see if there is any update available for the game. If not, then you are good to go. The next thing you need to do is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get Macro++. So, just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. That's how you can macro and fish in 2025 on both mobile and PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.